I want to go where legends are made, where I can ride free, where my vision is elevated, where I can dive in. I want to go where I can find buried treasures, where adventure finds me, where I can catch my dinner, where the river runs through it. I want to go where my heart pounds for fun, where the drinks are smooth, where hot waters soothe my soul, where history comes alive. I want to go where we celebrate the West, where rivers carve through history, where the buffalo roam. I find it here.